everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter mixed operations. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? So here I am on the chapter mixed operation. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is addition and subtraction, word problems, numbers up to 20. Okay, so basically you're given with the word problems. You have to either add or subtract them. Let's just start with the test question. Read the question carefully so that you can understand if you have to add or subtract them, right? The first one is last month Nancy did a total of 15 problems from math homework. She got 3 problems correct. How many problems did she miss? So which is the correct option? Add or subtract? The total problems are 15, right? The question is she got 3 problems correct. You have to find the one that are not correct. That means you need to subtract. So you need to do 15 minus 3. Got it? So you can subtract the ones digit, make 5 lines and remove 3 of them. You are left with 2. So 5 take away 3 is 2. You do not have any digit right below 1, so keep right 1 as it is. So that is 12. That means the 12 of the answers she missed, questions she missed, right? The correct option is 12. Florence flipped a coin and got heads on 5 flips. She did a total of 9 flips. How many of the flips were tails? So the total flips she did is 9, right? 5 of them have head. You need to count the ones that are that you need to count the flips that were not head. So which is the correct option you have to do? 9 take away 5, that is 4. The correct option is 4. That means 4 times the coin will land on tail. The correct option is 4. Jennifer flipped a coin and got heads on 2 flips. She did a total of 11 flips. How many of the flips were tails? So which is the correct option? The total flips she did is 11, right? Only 2 of them have head. You need to count the flips that are tails. So which is the correct option? Very good. The total flips were 11. You have to subtract 2. 11 take away 2 is 9. That means 9 of the flips were head. Got it? Pam had a birthday party. 2 girls and 2 boys from her class came. How many of the Pam's classmates were at the party? So which is the correct option? So basically you need to count the total students, right? So whenever you have to count the total, you always have to add. So you need to do 2 plus 2. That means the total classmates are 4. Got it? The next one is there were a total of 18 books on the shelf. Then 17 were taken away. How many books are left? So which is the correct option? The total books on the shelf are 18. 17 of them taken away. So you have to do 18 take away 17. The correct option is 1. That means only one book left on the shelf. Rudy is working on some math homework that is due tomorrow. Yesterday he completed 7 problems. There are 18 problems altogether. How many problems did Rudy had left to finish today? So which is the correct option? The total problems are 18, right? 7 of them he did yesterday. How many problems he have left for today? Very good. You have to do 18 take away 7, and 18 take away 7 is 11. That means the correct option is 11. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is addition and subtraction ways to make a numbers up to 20. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. How do you make 13? You are given the options. You need to find the correct one. So which option makes 13? The options given are 11 plus 2 and 11 plus 4. So which is the correct option that makes 13? That is 11 plus 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? How do you make 7? Which is the correct option? The options are 14 take away 7 and 14 take away 6. So which is the correct option? The correct is the correct one is option number 1. That is 14 take away 7. So 14 take away 7 is 7. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? which is not a way to make 9. 9. 7 plus 2 is a way to make 9, right? So not the one is 9 take away 1 is the one that cannot make, that is not making 9. So option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Which is not a way to make 16. So which is the correct option? Not a way to make 16. So the correct option is yes, the correct option is 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 is not the way to make 16, right? Because when you add that makes 15. So that is not the way to make 16. Got it? How do you make 15? Which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, that is 15 plus 0 is the one that makes 15. So the correct option is 15 plus 0. Option number 1 is the correct option. How do you make 4? Which is the correct option? You have to make 4, right? So the correct option is that is 4 minus 0. Very good. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which is not a way to make 11. So which is the correct option? The correct option is you, the one that doesn't make 11 is 16 minus 4 is the correct option, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is add and addition and subtraction balance equations up to 20. So balancing equation means you need to keep the both sides of the equation exactly equal, right? Balance equation means the both sides of the equations are exactly equal. So let's just start with the lesson that is addition and subtraction balance equations. Okay, you need to keep both sides of the equation exactly equal, right? Start with the first example, that is which number makes the equation true. The equation is 17 plus missing number equals 20 minus 1, right? So here you are given both the numbers. Solve this side first. 12 minus 9, 1 is 19. 20 minus 1 is 19. Now you must have the 19 over here, right? So 17 plus what number is 19? So 17 plus 2 makes 19. So 2 is the number that can make the equation balance, right? The correct option is 2. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, which number makes the equation true? So just solve the one that there you have both the numbers. So just do 6 plus 1. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Now you have to put a number over here that makes 7 here also, right? So which is the number that makes 7? 11 minus 9 is not 7. It would be 16 because 6 minus 9 is 7. So that means the number that can keep the equation balance is 16. So the correct option is 16. Okay, the next one is which number makes the equation true? So which is the correct option? 2 plus 4 equals the missing number minus 0. So 2 plus 4 is 6, right? That means on other side you also need 6. So the correct option is 6 minus 0 is 6. So the correct option is 6. Twenty minus 6 is 14. So on the other side you also need 14. So 3 plus what number is 14? Yes, that is 11 because 11 plus 3 makes 14. You need to keep it balanced, right? For 20 minus 6 is 14. So you have to put a number over here that when added to 3 makes 11. So that is 11 plus 3. Got it? The next one is which number makes the equation true? One plus 2 equals 3. So which number makes the equation true? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 13. Take away 10 equals 3. So the correct option is 13, right? Okay, which number makes the equation true? Which number makes the equation true? You have 19 minus 1 equals the missing number, 12 plus the missing number. So 19 minus 1 equals 18, right? That means on the other side you need to make 18. So 12 plus what number is 18? Yes, that is 12 plus 6 makes 18. The correct option is 6. Which number makes the equation true? Twenty minus 1 equals 19, right? So 17 plus what number equals 19? That is 17 plus 2 makes 19. You have to make 19 here. So 17 plus 2 makes 19, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is addition and subtraction equations up to 20, true or false. So let's just start with the lesson. You are given the sentences, equations, you just have to see if they are true or false, right? Okay, which sentence is true? Option 1, 9 minus 4 is 5, and the second one, 0 plus 1 equals 9. So which is the correct option? So which is true? You are given two sentences, 9 minus 4 equals 5 and 0 plus 1 equals 9. You can check by adding or subtracting, right? So 9 minus 4 is 5, but 0 plus 1 is not 9. That means the first one is true. 9 minus 4 equals 5. Got it? Which sentence is true? 9 minus 6 equal to 4 plus 2 equals 6. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 4 plus 2 equals 6 is true, right? The correct option is second one. 4 plus 2 is 6 is true, right? Okay, the next one is which sentence is true? So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Which sentence is true? 3 plus 4 equals 7 or 8 minus 3 equals 6. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 3 plus 4 equals 7. The correct option is 3 plus 4 equals 7 is the correct one. Got it? Which sentence is true? 0 minus 0 equals 0 and 5 plus 1 equals true. So which is the correct option? Which one is true? Yes, the correct option is 0 minus 0 equals 0, right? Because 5 plus 1 doesn't make 2. Which sentence is true? 5 minus 2 equals 3 and 3 minus 1 equals 5. So which is the correct option? Yes, it is option number 1. 5 take away 2 equals 3 is the correct one. Got it? Which sentence is true? Which is the correct option? 1 minus 0 equals 5 and 2 plus 1 equals 3. So which is the correct option? the correct option is 2 plus 1 equals 3, right? The second one is the correct one. Very good. Which sentence is true? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 3 minus 0 equals 3. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? The correct option is the second one. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Very good. Which sentence is true? 8 minus 8 equals 6 or 3 minus 2 equals 1. Which is the correct option? The correct option is 3 minus 2 equals 1, right? The second one is the correct option. Very good. Which sentence is true? 0 plus 1 equals 1 and 3 plus 3 equals 5. So, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct one is yes, option number 1. 0 plus 1 equals 1 is the correct one, right? Which sentence is true? 1 plus 0 equals 1 and 6 minus 6 equals 5. So, which is the correct option? Very good. Option number 1 is the correct option. 1 plus 0 equals 1 is the correct one. Got it? Which sentence is true? 4 plus 0 equals 1 or 9 minus 9 equals 0. Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 9 minus 9 is 0, right? Okay, we are done with the lesson. So, we were working on grade 2 math. The chapter we're working on is mixed operations. The lessons we have covered today are addition and subtraction, word problems up to 20, addition and subtraction ways to make a number up to 20, addition and subtraction balance equations up to 20, and addition and subtraction equations up to 20 true or false, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So if you have any questions related to the lesson we have just finished, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So please ask. 9 times 8 is 72, not 76. 9 times 8 is 72. And 178 minus 0 is 178. Because if you are subtracting any number from 0, the number stays the same. Got it? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.